Good morning, babies. This is Miss Signella from first period. I've lost my voice, so you get a very exciting video. Yay! Say it. Thank you. All right, everyone. So I made a copy for you, first period, of the notes that we did on Friday. I wasn't blown away with my first period version of this lesson on Friday, so I redid it for all the other classes. And it was better. And so I wanted to give you those notes so that you have them. Every other class, you already have them. Okay, so let's take a look at our rubric. What's the matter? Right now we are looking at the papers that you picked up at the door, guys. Okay, so right now we're looking at the rubric, and we're looking at focus on task and text. Go ahead and take a look at that. Do you agree that that is a good summary? All those handwritten words, is that a good summary of that column? Go ahead and take a look. Discuss it with your table mates. Make sure that I'm not missing anything. So right now you're looking at the rubric and checking, did I miss anything? Is there anything that belongs in there that isn't? Thumbs up if it looks pretty good. Thumbs up it, like put it on your chest so I can see it just on your chest. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of thumbs up. I'm seeing a couple people still reading. That's fine. Keep going. Good. So when we break down a rubric using RAFTs, here's the method. Go ahead and look at your second page. To unpack a rubric, you need to read it and summarize. If there are words that you don't know, define them. On yours, you'll see that I copied directly from mine, okay? So these were Post-its of all the words that everybody struggled with. And there are a lot of words in here that are hard. So we went and defined them. And defining those unknown terms is really important. And then finally, answer the RAFT questions. Now, we went over what those RAFT questions look like. So if we look at role, we're asking, what point of view is it in? Am I pretending to be someone? And if it doesn't tell you, what should you assume? Self, bingo. Oh, it says right there. Okay. For audience, who's gonna read it? Is your audience Donald Trump? Is your audience Donald Trump? Or is it just some generic interested person? For format, we are asking, is it fiction or nonfiction? Are we writing an ACEs paragraph? Are we arguing something? Or are we just saying something? Remember, the difference between an argument and a summary is that a summary is full of only facts, only observations, whereas an ACEs paragraph, an argument, is going to be full of your inferences. It's the difference between an opinion. German Shepherds are the best dogs. I know. See, I see you disagreeing with me, and that means it's an opinion. But if I say German Shepherds are dogs, you kids over there shaking your heads are just wrong, right? Yeah, Ozzy's, you're with me, all right? So that's the difference here. Okay. Is it ACEs would be Dalmatians are the best dogs. Summary would be Dalmatians are dogs with spots. All right? And there's other options too. You could be writing a poem. You could be writing a short story. You could be writing a play. You could be writing an entire essay. In fact, format is also going to answer how long. Sometimes it doesn't tell you, but sometimes it does. When we look at task, that's our to-do list. We're going to use the verbs, the action words, to determine what to do. Okay? And then I did you a favor. I wrote in the to-dos for focus on task and text. So using my summary, I turned that into my to-do list. Thumbs up if that makes sense. All right. And last but not least, strong keywords. Turn the question into your answer. Right? For instance, did we talk about this? How was your summer? And you answered great, and it makes you sound like a goofball. You respond to how was your summer with the same words that are in that question. My summer was blah, 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 blah. Capiche? Okay. Now, we are just reviewing this. That's okay. I videotaped first period on Friday. That's available online. I will post it on Google Classroom if you want to review it. If you are absent on Friday, or if you just look at this paper and your eyes go cross, you get all confused. All right? If that happens to you, that's okay. You can review it online. Then we did this together, right? First period, we did the organization and we broke it down.
Yes, ma'am.
All right? Did we make the to-do list?
No.
No. Let's go ahead and do that right now. So take a moment, look again at organization. So that organization tab, and remember it's also on the back. You already have a rubric, so I only copied one side of it. So you should have a rubric somewhere in your notes somewhere, is that right?
Yeah.
Am I lying to you? No? So pull that out and take a look at organization and look at that and go ahead and turn that summary of organization into a task list. That's part one.